is first bring everything over to this, like on this part of the equation, we have to bring all that over. So like we need an O for O, so we need to put that over here. We need an NO, we have that. And then we need an NO2, we have that. So like it's just on the side of that arrow. Next, we know what do we want. We have to just flip this. So that goes to O, goes to O2. When we do that, we have to flip the delta H. We literally just put a negative sign in front of that. And then we just bring everything else down to O3, 3O2, and then NO plus O3 goes to NO2 plus O2. Alright, from there, we can start canceling things out. Because obviously we don't have O2 in the problem. We need to get rid of that O2. We don't have O3 in the problem. Alright, sorry that's going to be two-part. I was mixing up a step. We also have to flip the 203, because we just flipped that one. I did that up there. Alright, just ignore that. But we have to flip 203. So we're just going to cross this out. It's going to be 3O2, 2O3. Right? And then we just make that delta H positive. Right? And since we flipped that, this delta H is negative. Alright, next, we have to line up the coefficients and make sure everything equals the same, start canceling out. For instance, 3O2, 2O2, like we just can't do that. Because we had to like make that and that combined to equal that. So we have to have 3O2s on this side, 3O2s on this side. Plain and simple, just add 2's to all this. Because we still have to have the balanced equation. And since we did that, since we had to multiply by 2 by all of this, this also had to be multiplied by 2. And that is negative 398. Next, we actually have to cancel out. So what we do is we have 3 O2's, cross out O2's. We have 2 O3's, one right there, cross that out. And that will leave us with 2NO plus 2O goes to 2NO2. And then to find the delta H of all of this, you literally just have to add this. Just add these together. Okay? And that will equal negative 466. However, we need to simplify this because our target is to get NO plus O goes to NO2. In order to do that, divide the entire equation by 2, divide delta H by 2. You get NO plus O goes to NO2. Your delta H equals negative 233. The damn camera will focus.